Hello students, today I am going to start question number 2 of exercise 3.1. Now question number 2 says organize the following marks in a class assessment in a tabular form. For this we need to make table, and in the first column will be marks, second column will be of tally marks, and third column will be of frequency. Okay. Now, from the data, we have to see that which marks are there. We have 1, okay. 2 we have, then 3 also we have, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9. Okay, we will not repeat the numbers, so these numbers are there in the data, so we have put the data, we have put the numbers under marks column. Okay, now we have to check how many times 1 appeared. Okay, so here is 1, we will circle it, otherwise we will get confused whether this is taken or not. Okay, so here we have got 1, then where is 1? We have only 1, right? So 2, where is 2 now? From here if you check, here is 2, so we will write 1, then here is 2, so we will write one more 1. Means we will have to draw the stick here. Okay, so 2 we have got 2 times, so only 2 stick. Now coming to 3, now where is 3? Here is 3, so 1 time, so 1 stick. Then only 1 time 3 appeared, so it will be 1 stick. Okay, next we have 4, so it's 1, then here is 4, so 2, then here is 4, so 3. Okay, now 5, here is 1, so here we will against 5 we will draw the stick, so here is again 5, so 2, then here is 5, so this, then here, so one more, then here also, so it's 5, so 5th tally marks will come like this. Okay, now next we have 6, so 1, so here we will write, here we will draw the stick, then 6 is here, so again 1, then we have here 3 and here. Okay, so 4. Now we will check 7, that how many times 7 appeared, so it's 1, so we'll write 1 here, then here is 7, so it's 2. Okay, now over, now coming to see where is 8. See, in the first one we have circled all, so here is 8, so only 1 time 8 appeared, so it's 1. Okay, and 9 also only 1 time. Okay, now we can check from the data that all are circled, that means all the numbers you have taken. Okay, so tally marks is over. Now we will write the frequency, so under this column we are going to write the number. We'll count the tally marks and we will write the number here. So here we have 1, so we'll write 1, then we have 2, so we'll write 2, then again we have 1, then 3, now it is a bundle of 5, so it's 5, then 4, then 2, then 1, and last also 1. Okay, so it's done. Now in the first part we have which number is the highest. Now here highest mark is 9, right? So we will write high score is 9. Number is 9. Now in the second part we have which number is the lowest. Now which one is the lowest? 1 is the lowest score. So we will write lowest number is 1. Now in the third part, what is the range of the data? Now how to find range? Range we can get by subtraction of the lowest number from the highest number. So range is nothing but the difference between highest number and lowest number. Okay, so highest number we have got, which is 9, and lowest number is 1. So the difference of 9 and 1 is 8. So the range will be 8. Okay, now the last part we have find the arithmetic mean. Now arithmetic means is nothing but finding average. So the formula for finding arithmetic mean is sum is equals to sum of all observations. Now what are observation? These data, whatever data is given, this is only the observation. So sum of all observation divided by the total number of observation. Okay, so arithmetic mean we can get by dividing the sum of all observation and to the total number of observation. So sum of all observation we can get by adding all the digits here from the data, but this we have already written in tabular form. So here we know that 1 appeared 1 times, 2 appeared 2 times. So from here also we can write. Okay, so here we can see that 1 appeared 1 times, so we will write 1 plus, then 2 appeared 2 times, so we will write 2 twice, then 3 appeared 1 time, so we will write 3 once, then we have 4 times, 4 appeared 3 times, so 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 5 appeared 5 times, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6 appeared 4 times, so 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, then 7 appeared 2 times, so plus 7 plus 7, and 8 appeared 1 time, so 1 time 8, and 9 also appeared 1 time, so plus 9, and divided by total number of observation. Now how many observations are there? So let us count. See, 1, 2 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So total 20 observations are there. So that you can find from here also by counting the numbers, and here we have already taken all the numbers. So if you find the total of this, then also we will get 20, because here already we have taken that how many times 1 appeared, how many times 2 appeared. So here already we have done this. So if you add this all, then also we will get the total number of observation. Okay, So it's divided by 20. Now let us add all this. So 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 4, 16, then 20, 25, then 30, 35, 40, 45, 51, 57, 63, 69, 76, 83, 91, and plus 9 is 100. Okay, so 100 divided by 20. So if you cancel zeros, then 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. So the arithmetic mean will be 5. Okay, so this was all about question number 2. Now coming to next question. Now question number 3 says find the mean of the first 5 whole numbers. Now we know that whole numbers start from 0. So the first 5 whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to write 5 whole numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will write up to 4. Now we will have to find the mean. That means we will have to find the average. So the formula for finding mean is sum of all observations. So here we will have to find the sum of first 5 whole numbers divided by total number of whole numbers. Okay, now sum of first 5 whole numbers. So these are the 5 whole numbers. So 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So here is the sum of first 5 whole numbers. Now total whole numbers are 5. Right? So here this means the sum of first 5 whole numbers to be divided by 5. Now let us add this all. 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10. So 10 divided by 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So the answer is 2. Okay, so this was all about question number 3. Thank you, students.